Welcome to CloudAlly's SaaS data protection platform. Imagine a team accidentally deleting an entire project site during cleanup. With CloudAlly, you can quickly restore all the site content. Whether it's an entire SharePoint site or a single document, your data is just a few clicks away from recovery. To ensure this powerful recovery process stays secure, CloudAlly's advanced security features give you complete control. Enable two-factor authentication for enhanced protection and enforce it across your organization. Manage access with IP allow lists and single sign-on via SAML authentication. Stay audit-ready with our comprehensive logging system. Track every user activity from sign-ins to permission changes in our immutable system and security logs. To back these features with industry standards, CloudAlly is ISO 27001 certified, HIPAA and GDPR compliant. CloudAlly has got you covered with flexible and customizable backup options, trusted by 30K+ organizations. Visit cloudally.com/getstarted today to book a demo or start a free trial and never face data loss again.